PhoenixTypewriter.com. Good day. I'm here on the bench to put a ribbon in this Remington KMC full-size upright standard typewriter. That's what this is. So this takes a ribbon that's on the little rings. Doesn't really have spools. It has these caps over the ribbons that go missing a lot of times, but I've got both of these for this one. So this lid comes off on this. You tilt it from the back up like that. And here's our ribbon area right here. And so yeah, these usually you find these guys on top here like that. So remove these. They just pull right off. It's friction fit. And then you'll find the ribbon. I've already removed this, but they use these little rings, and this ring will fit on here right like that. I'll get it on here. And the ribbon attaches to this. It's got a little forky guy right there. So you remove this. If I can get it back off. Okay, let's hang up here. There we go. And so make sure these rings are both off both sides. And then you can take a regular typewriter ribbon, or you can order these like this. But if you take a regular ribbon that's on two spools, like I should have around here somewhere. So just a two-spool ribbon like this, you can transfer it onto the ring, and then you end up with this. Or you don't even need the rings. So this machine uses a special assembly here that does ribbon reverse in the mechanism here. This little guy right there gets pushed in when the ribbon's in there. It almost looks like it's sticking. And then it tells the machine when it spins around, that little piece will come out. Looks like she's sticking. It should flop right out. Spring tension there, I'll have to look at that. So you could just attach the ribbon. It's got an eyelet and it's got a slot right there. And you could stick that eyelet behind that slot and attach it that way without using the rings at all. So you can stick that in that slot like that and attach the ribbon and just wind it on like this if you wanted to. But we have the ring, so we're going to just drop it in and then feed it over to the other side. So we want black on top, and we're going to line up that little slot with this gizmo here. So we just line that up. It should slip right down on there all the way. And then we can just pull this. You can use a ribbon reverse here somewhere. Ribbon reverse is right there. That way you can pull this ribbon out through here and through this little guide right here. And we'll just come on over to the other side right away and put it through that guide right there. And like I said, we're going to attach this using the eyelet method. So just turn this around until you can get to the slot, which is right there. And just stick it in that little slot and tuck it in behind there like that. And that's it. You can turn this the way it drives and tighten it up a little bit like that. So now we have a ribbon on there. We can even put the caps on here. This one is a little bit loose. I'm going to bend these little tabs so they grab a little better. That's a little better. You can get it snug all the way down in there. That little piece should just come right to the edge, kind of flush there. Let's stick this one on. And we'll be done with this section. Yeah, see how it came up? This one's not quite on there all the way. Let's try it again. Let's just move its position. Doesn't want to. There it goes. That little top is flush. With that, we're okay. So then we feed this through, and we can prop up the lift with two. Best thing is put this thing on red right there. That's going to raise the ribbon lift up all the way. Take 2 type bars and put them up, maybe 3. Jam them all together like that so they stay. And then you can see the guide here really good. Or a lot better than I don't got much light in here. Okay. So this is pretty simple to do. Take the ribbon and it goes behind the guide and just through these little forks that I can't seem to get. Okay, got that one. Do this one by hand. That one. And that's it. Right like that. And you should be able to spin it through. And see it working. And it should go all the way up on red. We can move this button back down here to black. And that should be it. We should have typing action. Let's give it a try. This is actually the first I've tried this since I worked on this. Looks good. Might have to clean that H up. What's wrong with that H? Let's take a look and see. Oh yeah, it looks like I have to unclog it. Even though those typefaces are clean, it looks like there's still some debris in the letter there. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that H. Better. Okay, so I still have a little bit to do on this typewriter. Let's see if it types in red. Looks good. Alright, well, I think we've got the ribbon on. And everything should be good. Alright, so that's how we do a ribbon. Put it on, feed it through, connect it, away we go. Alright, this is the video of the day for ribbon on a Remington KMC full-size monster typewriter. Phoenix typewriter. Good day.